Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name's Larry Vogt. Today we're going to go over this brand new 2021 Grady-White 325 dual console. I'm up here at the spacious bow where you can see we've got some great seating available here. There's also a fill cushion for the center where I'm standing, so this entire platform can be a sun pad. Up at the bow we also have a windlass with controls at the bow and then again at the helm. As we move back towards the inside of the boat, one of the things that this boat has is an air-conditioned berth. Down in here, we've got some cushions stored in there at the moment. That's got AC. We also have a head compartment right here with a flushing head, pull-out shower, storage. This is also air-conditioned. This boat's got a diesel generator that powers the AC as well as the grill we're going to see in the back. Up front, we've got in the cockpit AC vents at the helm and also on the port side too to keep this area nice and cool. This boat is equipped with the isinglass side curtains and drop curtain in the rear. You'll see a cool skylight which also opens up for ventilation at the hardtop. You've got plenty of room up here for two 16-inch screens as far as electronics. You've got a power helm seat that'll come forward to make sitting at the helm and driving the boat nice and comfortable. As we move into the cockpit, you'll see a spacious cockpit with tons of seating, a flip-down rear bench here, which adds additional seating, and we've got a retractable lounger on this side here that'll give you some more room if you want to do some fishing. On the port side, this boat is equipped with a summer kitchen, which includes a refrigerator and a grill. So you can keep your drinks cold, your lunch cold, and grill your catch right here while you're out on the boat. In addition to some of the fishing features, we've got a live well in the back, right here. This is fully insulated, which can also be used as a cooler. And then you've got a giant fish box as well that's fully insulated, along with the two that are up at the bow. So this makes a great fishing boat for cruising. It's got tons of amenities, nice and comfortable, fresh and raw water washdowns, make it a complete package. Give us a call at MarineMax in Jacksonville and come take a sea trial on this boat.